I'm Juliana and I'm currently 16 weeks pregnant with my first baby. While being excited about every little step of this journey, I'm willing to do whatever I can to make sure that I have a healthy and happy pregnancy. With that said, I am beyond excited to open the package I just got today from Mama Selects. I chose Mama Selects because it's made with high quality natural ingredients and I want to make sure that the baby and I get the best that we can. So excited to start taking these. This is specifically formulated for pregnant and breastfeeding moms. It is in capsule form. It is also gluten-free, dairy and soy-free, and it helps with constipation, morning sickness, heartburn. What else can I say? I mean, this is the magic pill right here. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you have a very happy and healthy pregnancy. Bye!